Okay, this here is part 2. Because we had to go answer a door and now Kyra's here.
Yeah. Also, my brother Tommy's friend Ryan, his daddy was driving past when I was calling here for Aoife. And he had his window down. And he was just like, wee! You should have been there to see it.
Look at that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look how beautiful that is.
Work. What? Where are you using?
Why are you using the ring light?
No.
No.
Okay, so what are we doing?
So we're showing our fidgets.
Ooh. Ow! Why isn't this going in, stupid thing?
Oh, there we go.
Yeah. Oh, I have to take my phone case off. So help me if this falls. My phone's broke.
So, this here is actually a really good slime. No.
Sure.
I'm doing something.
Wait, is this part 3? In part 3. We had an attempt, but then this is part 3 on TikTok. Okay, so we had to go because Kyra's here now. Are you gonna turn the ring light on? Yeah, I forgot. But now my lighting is good. So what? What? Ah! No, this is horrible. I need to dim it.
It looks like it's nighttime.
Okay. That's okay. Okay. Can you move it back and yeah. So the slime putty comes with a little unicorn rubber thing.
It's really good, this slime.
Okay. It feels so good. Ah! Hey, get it! We need to go. There'll probably be a part 4. Do you want to do like a video where we see how far the slime can stretch?
No.
Yeah. Why? Because it probably doesn't stretch far. That'll be a part 2.
We're doing so I've actually just been making a video for 2 minutes of my shirt.
Why does every comment say liked by creator? It's just because he liked them all. Yeah. Except for
don't know.
this one. Boom. Do you follow Katie? Yeah. Don't know why. Just because I know him. Part 3 of showing our fidgets.
Part 4.
Part 4 of showing our fidgets.
It's 15 seconds!
Say that again. No, say part 3. No, I say part 3 and she says part 4. No. Part 3 of showing our fidgets.
No, part 4.
Part 4 of showing our fidgets.
Okay. We have this slime. So good.
Yeah, next fidget from the buddy is a triangle.
Wait. What? I'm going to show
It is
this.
a triangle.
Yeah,
It's a cubey thing.
It's a
a
cube
triangle.
triangle.
It's a cubey thing.
And if you want to
It's
know
a
where we buy
triangle.
these and this and one other thing that I'll show you later, you buy them at Tesco's.
In Northern Ireland.
Yeah.
You liar.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Where? When?
It doesn't even matter.
Who said I would do that?
You.
When?
Yes, you did.
When?
Yesterday.
Oh, yeah. I don't remember. Okay. This here thing is very good.
Many things.
Very colorful. No, don't touch. Don't touch. You're going to hear it. This here is very
Stop
fun.
banging into me. Sorry. Okay, stop. Sorry.
Okay, this here is very, very, very fun.
Part 5 of showing our fidgets. So the tangle.
Thing. I bought her that. so thank you.
Thanks. I
Just
already
kidding,
said
she
thanks.
doesn't have to.
Plus I already.
That was 15 seconds.
Can we like move it around so there's enough room for all of us?
No, because I'm recording on this. Okay, that's how I was.
Part 5. Yeah, 5.
Okay, this here tangle. Please stop.
I showed you the tangle thing.
Now it's on to good stuff, which is only 2 more things.
Actually 3. Oh yeah.
Okay, we have our puppets.
Wait, look. She has a bunny one.
Yeah, I have a bunny one, and
I have like this one. Rainbow cube.
okay, can I have it? Can I show them? She has a rainbow puppet.
Yay. Okay. So yeah, puppets.
Party in the house.
Yeah.
She does.
Okay. Part 6 coming soon.
You've actually made 5 TikToks in 6 minutes.
How?
I don't know.
I don't like the nacho cheese.
I do. They're my favorite.
My favorite are the hot and the spiciest kind of ones.
6!
Part 6!
15 seconds!
Part 6! I'm showing our fidgets.
Okay. So this
Puppet.
puppet is really good.
Boom. You already seen that. Don't need to see it again. Throw it away.
Yeah, they do.
Now
Throw it away.
Yoink.
Yeah. Going. Ow. It just fell onto
The
me.
last thing that we share, because we only have one.
I'm showing them first.
Okay, so don't say it. We'll say after show. Yeah.
It's a water snake.
I'm pretty sure I heard that.
It's not.
Give me some.
Okay.
Okay, now it's my turn to show it. It's
A
a
water snake.
water snake. Wait, what?
No, okay.
Give it.
She's
Give
doing
it. You're
something.
gonna pop it. I'm not.
Yes, you are.
You can go pop the
I'm
pop it.
popping it.
You can go pop the
I'm
pop it.
popping the poppet.
Sonia.
There'll probably be part 7. The next one's part 7, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but say part 6.
No.
Okay.
Don't. What? Okay. I'm just playing with my slime.
Part 7 of showing your fidgets.
This here is actually our last fidget.
Yeah, but we're probably gonna do some fidget trading videos.
Yeah, we actually should.
Yeah. That's my granddad's phone ringing.
Yeah, it's going to here.
Yeah. Granddad, your phone's ringing.
And don't ask why she's in her pajamas.
Yeah. I just got back into them.
She's a lazy pig. You're just kidding.
Speaking of pigs, I got a fly ride pig and adopt me.
I got a rideable llama and adopt me.
I got the
also-
poor people and adopt me. I got no pets. Seriously.
I also got a neon emu.
I have a neon otter, a neon red cat.
I have a stupid
Right.
normal neon.
There'll be a part 8.
Don't you dare say that there's a bad neon cat in your inventory. You should love cats.
I have a
No, I
neon
said-
ride cat. I
Yeah,
said.
Yeah, I said I have a stupid normal neon cat.
Yeah, you should love all your pets.
Right.
So,
Or fly.
you can respect your pets and eat where they were born.
I will not respect.
I
some
traded
of
a
my
neon
pets.
ride cat.
I will respect most
I traded-
of my pets. I will
I
not
traded traded a neon red cat and a neon cat for a neon red cat and a neon otter, I mean.
What?
I traded
Yeah.
a neon red cat
Yeah.
and a normal neon cat
Mhm.
for a neon red cat and a neon otter. So practically just a neon cat for a neon otter.
Yeah. Oh no!
Okay.
It's fine. I can take it off. It's easy to take off. See? Easy.
Part!
Yeah.
Part!
Well, only going up to part 10 because I cannot stand this.
I'm going up to part 1,000,000. Anyways, the water walking snake that I've been playing
Water
with
walking
for-
snake.
No.
Your battery's low, Aaron.
Oh no. That-
Goodbye!